you guys are all staying safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to make pizza. So first ask your parents if it is okay that you can make pizza and have someone help you use the oven today, okay? First you want to preheat your oven. Your oven should be at 400. So while that is preheating, you want to wash your hands before you start. Make sure you use soap. Wash them real good, both sides. So our ingredients today, I'm going to do it really simple. I'm going to use some bread and a bagel, but you can make your own pizza crust with this, or you can use the Pillsbury pizza crust, or if you're real adventurous, you can make it by hand. I am not today. So you can use, you want to use the pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can just use like a spaghetti marinara if you have it. And then we have all kinds of pepperoni. We got the big regular pepperoni, the mini pepperoni, and yes, Corazon, we got turkey pepperoni because no pig, right? And then last we have the cheese. So we're going to be using the shredded mozzarella. And if you like Parmesan, you can put some Parmesan on it too. Okay, you want to get a cookie sheet and just grease it with some Pam. That's what I did real quick. And then we're going to put our bagel on here. And then our bread slices as well. So you can do as much as you want. I'm going to do 6 today. And the first thing you need to do is pop it in the oven and toast it for about 5 minutes. All right, kids, 5 minutes is up. And our bread should be pretty toasted. Oh yeah. And so you want to keep your oven on because you're going to use it again. Next we're going to put our sauce on. I'm going to use the Classico because I like it. And you just want to put like a tablespoon on each one.
You know, you're very amphibian. You can do that with both hands.
Oh my God.
Take a spoon and spread it.
Yep. Take a spoon and you want to spread your sauce. Okay, kids, I got sauce on all my pieces. So I just put a little bit of cheese first.
What kind of cheese is that?
Mozzarella cheese. And I put it on first before I put my pepperoni on. Just a little bit. And kind of spread it out over the piece. Okay, next I'm going to do the pepperoni. So I'm going to put a little turkey pepperoni on one. And some original pepperoni.
Yeah.
For Steve.
Thanks, Skippy. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
And then I'll do the mini ones on the bagel pieces. Okay, next we're gonna add our last layer of mozzarella cheese.
Hey, Shelly, that reminds me of a joke.
Okay.
Why wasn't the pizza joke very funny?
Why?
Because it was cheesy.
Okay.
What kind of person doesn't like pizza?
What kind of person?
A weirdo. I'm here all week. Thank you.
Yes, I know. We are going to use our hot pad and stick it back in the oven.
For how long?
We're going to do about 6 minutes. Stick it back in there. Do your timer for 6 minutes. Okay, our timer is done, so let's check our pizza. Oh, that's pretty melty. Not too bad, not too bad. Which one would you like, Steve?
I'll take the bagel. That looks simply delicious.
Hey, Steve,
Yes.
I got a joke for you.
Really?
Yeah. Where does Jabba like to eat?
Where?
Pizza Hut.
That's quite yummy. Good job, Shelly.
You're very welcome.
What are you trying to do?
Let's show my tiny chef. Dana. Dana. We don't need all of this. You can stop.
Mmm, yummy. You know, you're very amphibian. You can do that with both hands.
Oh my god.
Hey, Shelly, I got a joke. Why wasn't the pizza joke funny? Because it was too cheesy.
No. Where does Jabba like to eat?
I don't know, where?
No. Oh.